I arrived to Ferra Garden Hotel, which is 3-star hotel here in Boracay. It is not right on a beach, but so far it looks amazing. Let's go and check it.
Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
Here is a map, so you can see where is it. Here is Lake Town, Station 3, White Beach, Station 2. So all information about the city area. And this is the hotel. It's actually small hotel, but yeah, really nice. They do have some offers here. Halo Halo, it is famous Filipinos dessert. Really beautiful area. Smoking area here. Wow, so far I really like it. I'm so impressed. And yeah, as I said, it's just 3-star hotel. It's so lovely. Here is a reception. I think there is a restaurant behind for a breakfast, but I will see that later on, tomorrow morning. It's really nice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. And we got a welcome drink. I am in my room in Ferra Hotel. It's actually evening already because we were out. And this is a room. It is a superior double. A bed. It's actually really nice. We also got a welcome card. Some chair. The view, nothing special, but at least we can open the window, which I really appreciate. Oh, there is some basilica or something. I will go and check it later. A mirror, working space. What we have here? Yeah, it's a menu. You can also book a massage. These prices are really good. Oh, and some activities if you want. TV, a channel line up. We got complimentary water and some coffee, sugar, tea. Something here. Oh yeah, it's a fridge empty. It's fine. And this mirror, I can move it. Yeah, I can move it. And we have a safe, hair dryer, some hangers. Actually, really decent hotel for 3 stars and for the price I paid. And the bathroom is actually huge. A toilet. We have towels over there. Amenities. Yeah, perfectly clean. And shower. It's a huge. Wow, that's really big. I like it a lot. Nice. So far so good. I will explore rest of the hotel tomorrow. I will show you the pool. It is on the 5th floor, so upstairs, and the breakfast as well. This is the pool. It's a really lovely area. It's open from 8 a.m. The bar is still closed, but they will open it later. We are having breakfast in Ferra hotel. They don't do buffet breakfast, so you need to order a set menu, and I will show you what I am getting. These are our breakfast. I have like American breakfast, and Rad we got Filipinos. Let's try it. I checked it from Ferra Hotel, and it was actually really nice stay. For 3-star hotel, it was actually perfect. I paid 45 pounds per night with breakfast for 2 adults. You can actually also use a pool in sister hotel, which is nearby, like 2 minutes walk or even less. I actually wasn't there because I did not have a time, but anyway, it was really nice. Would I stay here again? Definitely, 100%. I think this is one of the best budget-friendly hotel here in Boracay. So if you are looking for some good value for money, come here. It's definitely worth it. But that's it from this video. Take care, stay safe, and bye bye.